I got it. I got the whole point that
People are getting
extremely sorry for that. It won't get to
And the person who is coming here and talking about the things going around, who is this situated somewhere else, is not supposed to stop handing shit up. Started talking to him, I'm not the manager. If he's not a manager, let him be the manager of the place where he is situated, not you. Right? Okay?
Also, I complained today also to Sarpanch also. He said, I'm going to stop. This guy is from Pollution Control Board. He make a complaint to Pollution Control Board. This guy also, they make a complaint to pollution.
See, we have no issue.
We don't have to make your business stop because you also
Business is there. We earn. We have this tourism business because the people around this area earn because of tourism, but not at this cost.
You can make your business
I
indoor.
won't repeat.
Huh?
Please, sir.
Or else, no, don't do that to me, please. If you want to run out this place for the whole night, have a sound control thing, have a proper sound control and a soundproofing thing.
Right.
We have no issues till the sound comes out. You dance out there, you run out there, you die out there. We have no issue.
Sure.
But after 10, if this continues,
Noted, sir. Noted. Absolutely noted. It won't get to you.
I came here with bare
You can
hands.
take it.
I will come here with something in my hand.
You can take
Just
it.
don't tell me.
It won't happen.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Because you are suffering.
Because we are all down business. 25 years I am making business over here. This guy, these people, they are coming here long time, means 10 years, every year they are coming here. They are staying one month. But don't do like this because I also local
suffering out of it.
I am also local
You have no right to make them suffer. They come here to relax.
I'm not doing anything like that.
You are doing it. You are doing it.
Whatever happened, I'm sorry, man.
Okay,
for that.
okay,
It won't
okay.
get
Next time,
repeated.
sir. Next time,
Give
please,
me a
sir.
chance.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We are giving you a chance, but the only and the last chance. If that happens again, if it comes to me, I'll come with something bad out. I'm pretty sure about that. And I don't really care whoever you call, whoever calls and whatever you call. I don't care.
No, guys.
I
If
think
my
we
people
will
are,
be held.
if my
We
local,
need your
see, if
support.
my local
We
people are
need
suffering,
actually
I'll
your
be
support to
like
go
very
ahead with
bad.
it.
No, you can grow your business. We don't mind.
We have no issues.
Huh?
Do the soundproofing. Have a soundproofing. Have a club here. We have no issues. The only thing that sound shouldn't come out of it.
People also like music. But don't disturb other people. Huh? Please, sir. Huh? You can.
I
You
have
can
no
grow your
issues.
business.
We have-
I don't have any
Been
problem.
to Tito's.
Huh?
You've been to Tito's. You've been to Tito's. In the around the vicinity of the discotheque, outside of the wall, in the restaurant, you have no sound coming out. Do it this way. You run out for 24 hours. They have no issues. If the sound travels with the air, you the person, your people who are making the business, it will be very bad for you. I'll be very strict and being very frank about it. Right? Whoever speak to us should be responsible about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one last thing. Mr. Manoj has already explained you the way we are affected. As a member of Noise Pollution Control Committee, it's my duty to inform you that you are bound to take permission. And I have learned, I have verified that you have not obtained any permission. See, this may be the last opportunity. From tomorrow you are saying that you are going to be within a control. But I also request you to go and apply for the permission from Deputy Collector. If you are well aware about it, then it's okay. If not, then I am giving you some more information. Otherwise, the next time
Tomorrow is Sunday. Day after tomorrow, Monday,
but
whatever the
second thing,
paperwork
apart from telling this, I am also informing you that this is a silent zone. You are not allowed to play the music till after 10, even not in the before 10. But that's a separate issue. But as of
that license.
so you have to get the license. Then for the 15 days dinner point. That doesn't don't take us for granted.
No, sir, not at all.
We hope that you are given assurance.
This will be done on an
and to the
immediate
locals.
basis on Monday.
You play the music the whole night. You don't have to do the soundproofing so that the people around doing business shouldn't be disturbed.
It will be taken care of.
If you cannot do the soundproofing,